Alright. Engineer, make a little bit of the talk for my voice kind of gone. Yo. DJ, because you're too bad, but you're moving, man. Just youngest and the baddest, now, the police is, you know. Lead steady! Second shot of NEC and ready. If you're ready for soca, say soca! If you're ready for Destra, say Destra! Now, all I love her. They're going to be queen vibes. Welcome in on stage, the queen of Bacchanal. The queen of Sir. Give it up for Destra and then what?
Somebody say, this mic not working, this mic not working. It's fed up work, I know. Hello, Jamaica, finally. The monitors and the money, no monitors. Somebody say Destra. If you're looking for somebody to come and rock your spine, just call my phone, dial my number, boy, anytime. Don't worry about getting under them roving charges. As the business service, still looking for the new artist. Just tell them to call me. Just tell them to call me. Inside a defense, just call me. You want to get wet, just call me. All out on the road, in case you forget now, they call me the party. Oh, you know the song, right? The queen of calling, they call me the queen of. It's only non-stop walking, just hear the people shouting, just call my name, just call my name. Hold on. Just play low. Oh, they're sleepy. Are you? I know they're waiting long. Oh, they're waiting real long. Not my fault. I was ready since 12. Right? But I'm not going to suffer for all the tiredness. So all they wake up. Somebody say yeah. Oh, they say something sleepy. Somebody say yeah. Right, or this song and all that better. So when I say just call my name, I want you to say Destra, right? And when I say they call me the queen, I want to say Bacchanal. And when I say they call me the party, they say Animal. Are you ready? And I want to hear all them voices. Don't make me come down inside of that crowd for all you, right? They call me the party. Oh Lord. They call me the party animal. We jamming straight till morning. It's only me them calling. They call me the queen of Bacchanal. It's only non-stop walking. Just hear the people shouting. Just call my name. I don't feel like they know no soca here. I don't feel like they know no soca. Oh, you know this one? Tell me if you know this one. You know this one? Queen of Bacchanal. You know this one? Come again. All you have to do is use your waistline. A little joking, a little walking, a little jamming. We having a ball when bam bam rolling and waistline turning. Just give me something, boy, don't stop at all. You're sexy and you're getting on. What is this? These people holding up the stage, you know? Your waist now work. Your waist now work. All the I work. Well, you don't tell your girlfriend, and I don't tell my boyfriend. I don't want to see nobody holding up the stage, so if you're holding up the stage, so make sure your waistline moving. Make sure, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit of wine. Nothing wrong with it. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit of grind. I can handle it. Tell them a little joking, a little rocking, a little jamming. We having fun when bam bam rolling and waistline turning. Just give me something, promoter. Next time, bring me here earlier, Mr. Promoter. Let's go. Yes, because I was ready since 12. And now everybody tired. I grew up as a real good girl. Oh, you know this one? You know this one? Real that. You see how they sing that nice? I like that. We going again. Who Lucy in here? Who Lucy in here? You Lucy? I grew up as a real good girl, always home, don't go nowhere. As soon as I was introduced to Carnival, they say I lose. All down on the ground, walking, walking up a bottom and dragging all over tongue, and they say I was never a party at my school bazaar I used to go. But since I was introduced to Carnival, they say I lose. When I drop it hot and I whine it, on the speaker box and I grind it, I don't want to stop and they call me. Hey, but I lose it on, I sweet it on. This Carnival, get loose away, get loose, get loose away, get loose, get loose away, loosen your ways. There's a place I'd rather be than in a fest, having a time. For those who have eyes to see me acting up and winding. All down on the ground, walking, walking up the bottom and then dragging all over. Let's go the west now, let's see the west walking. I never meant to be this crazy, but I'm not inside of me. When I come on a stage, I say I'm on the low. When I drop it hot and I on the speaker box and I don't want to stop and they call me. Sweet it on, this Carnival. Get loose away, get loose, get loose away, get loose, get loose away, listen. Now ladies, just show me your softness, show me your practice. Lucy's a Carnivalist, and that is why I be so loose. All down on the ground, walking, walking up the bottom and then dragging, and they call me Lucy, Lucy, I lose it on. Sweet it on, this Carnival. Yeah, so they're looking loose in truth. Oh, they're looking loose in truth. I want to see some slackness one more time. Let me go, let me go. I see, just show me it. Show me it. Loose is on. Yes, girls. Push it back. And jam it so, jam it so, jam it so, jam it so. I grew up as a real good girl, always home, don't go nowhere. As soon as I was introduced to Carnival, they say I lose. All down on the ground, walking, walking on my bottom and it dragging all over tongue and they call me Lucy. Oh, they wake up. Oh, they wake up. Nice. That is what I like. That is what I like. And I see some sexy girls in the front here who was holding the stage, leg on the stage, and push back the body. I like it so. You know many fellas in the crowd like to see girls with big bums, see? Yeah? Big, what do they call it? Bati. Huh? How do you call it? We don't say bumsy in Trinidad. Bumsy. Yeah, you see it bum and you see it. You know? See it. All right, Jamaica. You have anybody that loves Destra for more than 20 years? If you love here is the way. Granny trembling dance and we doing it brave. And we waving till we... How much people here is 20 years old? Yes! We come out of bed. Tremble up your ass till you walk up a sweat. And we waving till we... Now this is what I do. Keep it right there. Keep it right there. Some of you all are 15. Some of you all are 20. And you don't know the song. I'm gonna teach it to you. It goes like this. Yes, this here is the wave. Granny trembling dance and we doing it brave. And you say, till we mad, 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 we behaving bad. Oh, yo, 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 right? Yes, we come out of bed. Tremble up your rag till you walk up a sweat. You say, mad, 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 we behaving bad. Oh, you have it? Oh, you have it? Oh, you have it? Yes, sir! Yes, sir! I'm gonna try it. And I'm closing my eye. I'm closing my eye. Because I want to hear you. Yes, this here is the way. Granny trembling dance and we doing it brave. And we waving till we behaving bad. Yo, yo, yo. Yes, we come out of bed. Tremble up your arms till you walk up a sweat. And we waving till we behaving bad. Yo, yo. So let me see you. Let me see. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Let me see it. Let me see. Show me. We waving them left to right. Let me see them. Tremble it as it's a top. Now if you don't want to tremble your hand, that's okay. You can tremble like this. Watch it. You can tremble like this. Tremble like this if you want. Do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. Ready, set. Max it up. I want to see you jumping. Everybody, stand the way we go. Rock it here. Rock it here. Max it up. 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 You're ready to max it up. Everybody say jumping, jumping. Take out all your run and say waving. Max it up and take it to the end. Cause we deserve to max it up. Max it up. Max it up. I say we love mass. I say we love brass. You know we love steel, but I'm chutney and nasa. Come on the pass and step on the gas. It's not how we culture alone. Massive. This year we want it now. Forget about it anymore. Oh yeah. Start to jump on this one. Max it up. Max it up. Max it up. Max it up. Oh yeah, we only jumping, jumping. Max it up and keep it back bumping, bumping. Take it to the limit till we reach the top. Cause we deserve to max it up. Max it up. Max it up. Oh yeah, we only jumping, jumping. Take out all the rag and start waving, waving. Max it up and take it to the limit, boy. Cause we deserve to max it up. Max it up. Max it up. So here what we gonna do now. Here what we gonna do now. I want you to run around the stage. Or you can do that? Yes? No? Maybe? You can run around. Hello, Fluffy. You can run around the stage? Yes? You're doing it! Everybody face that direction. So you face so. Hold on, don't go yet, don't go yet. Face this way. Face this way, everybody. Face this way. Mr. Good Life. Mr. Good Life. Wait for me. Oh, you wait for me now. Oh, you now wait for me. Wait for me. Come back here. Not yet. Come back here. Everybody face that direction. If you cannot go around the stage, just go straight and wait for me. Point your finger where you're going. Where are we going? Where are we going? Point your finger where we going. Show me where you're going. Hello, Miss Lady. Point your finger. Hello. Talk to that lady. Play she in. Hold on. Lo. Yo. That one day. That one day. She. This one. Miss Lady. What's your name? What's your name? Is who I talking to? And point your finger where you're going. Where we going? Where? I will come down there now. Everybody, point your finger where you're going. Point your finger where you're going. Right from the... Stop the music. Stop. Come back. Don't rush the brush, you will get dubbed. Come back. It's an order. You know when you're in school and have order. When I say move, that is when we move. It had a conga lines in here. Wait for the queen of our canal. Wait for the queen of our say. Wait for. Alright, so all I want you to do is turn around and face up. Go back. Point the finger where you're going. Wait. 1, 2. Everybody start to run. Come. Max it up and keep the body pumping. Take it to the limit till we reach the top. Cause we need to run. Oh yeah, we only jumping. Take off all your rag and start you waving. Max it up and right, stay right here. Turn around. We're going in the next direction. Point your finger where you're going. How we going? 1, we going so. 2, we going so. 1, 2, run. Everybody started. Wait. What a hard work. Alright, go let them come. Put your two hands in the air. I want 2 hands in the air with something in the middle like this. So if you have a bottle, a cup, a cap, a hat, a bra, I don't care where you put in the middle. Put something in the middle. Your clothes, your towel, your girlfriend, put them in the middle. So where you have? Yes, you can use that. Where you have? Use your purse, use your green purse. I want something in the middle. And if you don't have nothing, that is alright. Just put your 2 hands in the air. Put your 2 hands in the air. Like me. Put your 2 hands in the air. Now everybody follow me. Scream nice. Ladies, let's stop giving me them fake orgasm screams. We're not in the bedroom. We don't have to fake right now. We enjoying ourselves. We say we need to fake? No. What? Let me hear the fake orgasm scream. How does that sound? Ladies, let me hear a fake orgasm scream. Pretty much, yes. But ladies, let me hear the scream, make the thing nice. Woo. So fellas, I just educate all you. You hear the difference, right? If you're not hear that scream, you're not doing nothing. Nothing. Ladies, only make some noise for that. We keeping it real. We keeping it real. We had to go back fast. We're going back fast because they only like fast tune in this place. No, I am a Trini and you is a Jamaican. And I love you and you love me. So we call that. That is called unity. Unity between me and my Jamaican family. So this one is for you. I hope you know this one. It's all about unity, togetherness. Carnival time without the jamming all the way. Collectively, in the bacchanal time to start the one day. I'm out my country, anywhere we go, we have to party. When I pass it, show me your rock, don't fail me now. So when the rock high, up in the eye, make your rock go high, high, high. We up in the air, it's rock everywhere. We ready for the festival again. I said, so when the rock high, up in the sky, make your rock go high, high, high. We up in the air, it's rock everywhere. We ready for the festival again. I'm your queen, you're my king. You know this one? You know this one? Like this, two hands. Two hands, two hands. Two hands, two hands. I want you to wait for me. I need you. I need you. Yeah. Put your hands together. I jump in. Jump in. Jump in. Jump in. I'm your queen. My king. My love. Last February was when I lost you in the face. I say I miss you daily. I'm boy, I can't stop breathing, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. So baby, come back, because I need you by my side. Right there, please make some contact. I'm your body, I hope you're tipping my whole body, I'm not just here. We try to describe how I lie into it, yeah. I see where your soul and I'm so good. But if you have your grace in my heart, that's make me feel. I want to see the answer, yeah, yeah. I jump in, jump in, jump in, jump in. I'm your queen, my love. Everybody jump in, jump in, jump in, jump in. I'm your queen. That's how bad I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Ah boy, I catch the bad man. I catch the bad man. Because it's everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Because it's Carnival. It's so. We can't say TNT, we can't say TNT, we had to say Jamaica. We cannot say TNT, we had to say Jamaica. We doing that, I did. Carnival in Jamaica is so special. Alright then, I will sing it, right? So when the boss of them come in town, beating pan and a bongo drum is madness everywhere. Carnival is our true freedom. Make a noise or a joyful song and jump up. On the wall of hands, everybody take a jump. Take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wine, start a wine, start a wine up now. Because it's Carnival. So put your hands up in the air, in the air. Put them on the floor, put them on the floor. Jump up. All the pettiness hotter than we as a sucker. It's madness everywhere. Mind it to the daddy son. This is how we do so come on and jump up in the air. Everybody take a jump, 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 jump. Everybody start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wine, start a wine, start a wine up now. Right. Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Alright. All you sweaty? All you feeling nasty? Nice. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Pandemic is over and we outside. We don't know what the future will bring. So I want you to enjoy it to the max. When next week Carnival comes, even if you're not a soca lover, still go and enjoy yourself, right? Because we don't want no more lockdown. We don't want no more sorrow. We don't want no more sadness. Because trust me, I was in Trinidad thinking about you. You heard that went, right? I was lying in bed and I heard the clock tick. And I think of you, caught up in circles, confusion. There's nothing new. Flashback to warm nights like this one. I fall behind a whole suitcase of memories, time after time. If you're lost and you look, then you will find me. Where? Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost and you look, then you will find me. Yeah. Jamaica, when you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. What we say about the season? Seasons come and seasons go, but Carnival will last. Jamaica, from Trinidad, all the way to Jamaica. Watch your river when you come. Everybody take a jump. Start away. It's Carnival. Everybody take a jump. Somebody scream! Can I leave the stage now? Bacchanal? Alex? Bacchanal. You sure can't go now?